Hey, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Unfortunately, my video did not record past 2 seconds after I recorded the entire video. But this was an Amazon Prime unboxing. This shipped from Lexington, Kentucky. I used my trusty knife to open this up. We had some cool bubble wrap type thing to protect it. I got these Salonpas pain relieving jet spray from Hisamitsu. Uh, if you want to read those, you can pause it, whatever. So, unfortunately, I have early onset arthritis from being so big for so long. I've lost over 230 pounds. Oh, yeah, and counting. I'm trying to build muscle, get stronger mentally and physically. And unfortunately, sometimes I feel like the Tin Man and oil can. I got to spray all my joints. But I find that this spray works. So gloops work too, but if you have like a cut on your finger, it can kind of sting really bad. That being said, I have sprayed myself in the eyeball with this, and that hurt too. I wouldn't recommend that at all. But I like these because I can like reach my back, shoulders. It's just simple and easy, and I'm all about being simple and easy. Let me know in the comments below what some of your favorite gloops are, your sprays. Do you use the Tiger Balms? What have you? Leave a comment below. I'm just trying to show you my buys. Yeah, buddy. If you want to help support my channel, just share my videos. Hit the notification bell. Watch some of my other thousands and thousands of videos. Cash at me at London Hawthorne. Use my username London Hawthorne on websites like riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. When you find your shirt or shirts of choice, you'll save on average $3 or more off every shirt, and I get a couple bucks in store credit. So, London Hawthorne, Cash App, or riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. And let me know what you guys think of these, and I wish you the best. Have a great day.